welcome back to day whatever in the condo. I think this is like the 4th or 5th time that I've been here. My mom and I just drove down from my grandma's house. Ignore this cut on my face. I somehow managed to scratch myself really hard on Saturday and now it won't go away. But anyways, today my mom and I drove down from my grandma's house and we are going to be spending the day here just kind of organizing and getting things done. So far we've gotten the chairs in. They look so good, and then there's 2 of them out on the balcony right now. And then we have a load of dishes in the dishwasher, which I'm pretty sure you can hear, and we've got a load of clothes in the washing machine. So our plan now is to go to Target, because I don't know if you remember, but I had one chair here for a while from Target, but we need to return it since I have these guys now. So we gotta return that to Target, and we've gotta buy some organizers for the linen closet, some organizers for the kitchen drawers, and we're gonna see if they have like a nice towel set, because my towel set from the dorms is looking a little not good. So that's what we're gonna do, and I'll take you with me to Target. But yeah, we haven't done much here yet. I will show you guys when we do all of our reorganizing. We have a big list of things to do. It's on the kitchen table. So I'll show you that, and I will show you when we do it. So I'll see you at Target. Is that a mat? Oh, it's 2 of them. So I could put one by my shower and I could put one by my sink.
Yeah, okay.
Should I do white? I like the idea of a big and a small though. Yeah, what about this one? Can you hold it up for me? That's kind of cute. Yeah, I like those. That's cute. Looks like 2 like casserole or bread looking dishes, and then a circular one, a muffin dish, a cookie sheet, and a rack. Cool. Let's see. Nice. Cool. Looks good.
You want to do an intro?
That was perfect. Okay guys, my camera died, but we finished the dresser. Go us, I'm so happy. We're gonna move it into my room. Let's do it. Oh, it's heavy. I think I want it in line. Yeah. We did it! Okay guys, my bar cart. It's kind of sad right now, but that's okay. We went to Target and I'm gonna do some things to it. I think this is kind of fitting because yesterday was my 21st birthday. So, bar cart organization video, I guess. Okay, so what's already on here is this wine rack that is brass and I thrifted it a while ago. This was a present for my 21st yesterday and I think that was from my mom. And then my parents gifted me a set of these little wine glasses. And then I already had these stemless ones. This is my old roommate's shaker that I need to give back to her. And I just got a new one, so we're fine. And then these martini glasses I thrifted, I think 2 years ago. I love them so much, so these are staying. But I'm gonna give you a haul of what I got at Target. Starting off really, really strong. I got some Tito's and I got some Absolute. I don't know where these are gonna go yet. I'm just gonna do the haul first. Next thing I got was this ice bucket. It was on sale, so I kind of had to get it. I got this cute little ice bucket. It comes with a scoop, which is so cute. So, there's that. To go along with that, I got, oh my god, I got a shaker and, what is this called? A jigger, which I don't like that. So I'm just gonna call it a shot measurer. Yeah, I got them to match this ice bucket, so I kind of have a little set. And then while I was at a Habitat for Humanity, I found these two really pretty like amber shot glasses. They're a really interesting shape, so I bought them, and these will also be going on the bar cart. Oh, also, I don't know if you can see it, but right over there I have a shot glass checkerboard. You've probably seen it before, but I love that thing so much, so that has to go on here too. I guess I'm just gonna play around with this stuff and see what I want to go where, and we'll go from there. I also wanted to put like coffee table books on here, but I don't have any. Let me go scour my living closet, hold on. Okay, I didn't find any coffee table books, but I did find this, like, what are these called? Letterboard that I had on my coffee bar area in my dorm, so that could be cute. And then I also found this acrylic monitor stand, which I know is kind of weird, but I thought it could be kind of cute for layering something. I'm sorry guys, my assistant didn't tell me that the lighting was horrendous. I'm gonna fire him. I'm just kind of working on the placement of things. I'm not entirely sure where I want things to go. Like, I don't know if I want this to be up here, because it kind of fits perfectly here. Let me move it there and see how I like it. Because it fits so perfectly right there. I feel like I kind of have to. Because I have my shot glass checkerboard set. I love that thing. So I kind of want to have that out. I think I just need to put things on here and then move them if I hate them. Just gotta start. My prized possession, shot glass checkerboard. I have to stand back and look at it first before I can decide. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you this. This is the overview. I really like, wait, let me go over here. My assistant is in the way. I really like the bottom. Like, I like down here. I don't like the top yet. I'm working on it, but I really like this. I love that down there. I think it looks so good. Those, this, those. I think that looks great. I just don't like the top yet. I think we need to figure out the top. I kind of want to put this stuff on something. This is my Pinterest board for this apartment. I love it. It's so cute. I'll go through it with you, but I wanted to show you my bar cart inspiration. I love this one. Because of the coffee table books. I love that. And the matching like barware set, which I now have, which is amazing. But I think I need some sort of coffee table book or something. I love this one. Again, matching barware, coffee table books. They have their wines in this rack, which I now have. But on the top, they have like a tray. I kind of want to get a tray. Oh, and then also I forgot to mention, like they have pictures above. I have 2 posters to go above this. I just haven't put them up yet because I kind of want to put them in frames. But I don't have frames yet. Anyways, this is what it's looking like so far. I think it's cute for a start, and I hope it gets cuter. Okay guys, this is my bar cart as of right now. It's not perfect, but I just added a few things. Now I'm gonna work on above the bar cart up here. I have 2 pictures that I'm gonna put up here. This is the first one, and then this is the second one. I think it's gonna look so good. I just don't know what to do because I wanted to put them in frames, but I need to get them up there to see them. So I'm gonna do that right now, hold on. Okay, for right now, until I get frames for these, I'm just gonna use this quick hold, which is what I used in the dorms. It's kind of like mounting putty. And it just like holds it to the wall. So sorry to my neighbor next door. I just knocked that into there. Okay, I'm stepping back to look. That's so cute. Okay, I'm in love with this. Let me show you the, actually let me put some more on the bottom of these. Okay guys, here is the bar cart. I love it. I definitely need something pink down here because there's a lot of pink happening up here. But I love it. Okay guys, this is the bar cart as of right now. I just finished taking some pictures of it and I will put them on the screen, but I'm so happy with it. It looks so good. I ended up putting a pink book and a pink plate down there to kind of balance out the pink up here. But I love it. It makes me so happy. It feels so Pinterest. And it looks so put together, and then the rest of the place is kind of just not doing so hot, but it's okay. We'll focus on this. I love it. This makes me so happy. Okay guys, these are the new handles for my kitchen. I've got these, I've got these old oil rub bronze ones, and these are the new ones, so I'll open them. They look like this. They're just brushed nickel handles. They're really pretty. I love them. They're gonna look so much better. So, let's do this. Love it. Nice. We did it. Okay, now we have to do them more. Okay. Let's do it. Okay guys, this is what it looks like in the bathroom. Looks so good. Good job.
Let's go.
And then the kitchen. Love it. Looks so much better. Yay, go us. Now we have all of the other ones in here. My bar cart. Ah, it looks so good. Look at it. Beautiful, gorgeous, stunning. Anyways, you happy?
I like it a lot.
I like it too. Yay.